Hi guys! So, Matanday took a nap here in the living room and we wake up like 30 minutes ago and we have package. Show you guys what it is. Ayan. So, we're gonna open it. Oh, this is the adapter. Like if you have a power strip, this is like the same thing. You just plug it in. Matt ordered 2 of them. See what's inside. Let's see what's inside. I'll show you guys what is it. So here you go. It's a surge protector. So you plug it in and then there's a screw right there that you can screw. And yeah, you can, you know, plug 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 appliances, like small things like blender or food processor that you can use, or laptop or something like that. So anyhow, and it has a USB and there's USB-C. See, this is metric. Oh, this is the for the drill. This is for the, oh my goodness Lord, it fell off, but this is for the drill, guys. And it's magnetic too. This is for my attachment for the KitchenAid that we got yesterday, that I showed you yesterday. This is for to mix the drink. This is the wire whisk. It's not as sturdy as, you know, the KitchenAid one, but there you go. And then a dough hook that you can make some cookies. Alright, what else do we have? And we have this portable battery charger. We can put it in the car, or if my car doesn't start, and then it will connect to my car. So hopefully not, because we just replaced the battery of my car before we moved in here. Like, I mean, before we moved to Iowa. Literally like 5 days before we start traveling to Iowa. So, and this one is the food processor. Here you go. This is small. This is small. You just don't want to bother it. I'm gonna return it. This is not what I want. This is small. I thought that our old one is 8 cups. So that wasn't 8 cups. Well, we're gonna return it. We're gonna. Bummer. Gonna put it back. Put it back and then just put it back. I just don't want to bother it. It's so small. Okay, so that's what we got from Amazon, and see you later. Bye guys. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. Hi guys, just came home from Walmart, and then I went to Goodwill. So I want to show you guys what I got. I've been there for, I don't know, like 3 hours just going around. Okay, so I went to Walmart and I grabbed this tissue, Kleenex. And then I get the freezer bag. We need another one of these. And I got more green beans. And then next 10 days for math. And I get this. After Walmart, I went to Goodwill, and I didn't realize that I already accumulated some stuff, and I paid $30. So anyhow, I get this basket. So, you know, I'm gonna do gardening and, you know, harvest and everything. So here you go. Get the red basket. It's $3.50. And I get another one basket. It's $2.70. I got clothes for summer, you know, and the pink tag is 50% off. So I get this. Look at that. And it's Old Navy and it's large. It's cute. I don't know, I like stripes. And then another one, I don't know what's this from, but I like the color. Oh my god, it feels like table cover. I feel like it's table cover or something, but I like it. I like the color. That's two. And this half price as well. There's a black one. Ayan. Zinana, made in Cambodia. This is full price, but it's cute. It's Mickey Mouse. Ayan. That's cool. I got four. That's four already. And then another half price. It's a t-shirt. Ayan. It's a 9 West t-shirt. And this one is cute. This is half price as well. And very pink. Very pink. Very pink, but I love it. It's nice. It's cute. And then this is half price again. It's Walmart brand. $2.75. And then if you buy it at Walmart, it's $7 for new. And I like the color. It makes you lighter. And then I get this one, half price as well. And look at that. It's so pretty. It's nice. I like it, guys. It's nice. It's kind of like, probably it's like kind of branded or something. I don't know. MNY. Mark, New York. Mark, New York. So yeah, that's what I got from Goodwill. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 t-shirt and two long sleeves. So 8 total plus 2 basket, and that's $30, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash this. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna hang up because I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna order some stuff from Amazon. I'm gonna hang up and see you later. Bye. I was gonna transplant the plants, but it's already 7:30 and it's getting late. So anyhow, I'm gonna hang up and see you later. Good morning! Good morning, guys! Good morning! So, I'm boiling water. I'm gonna take a shower in a Filipino way. So anyhow, yesterday we found out that our LP tank is empty, so we don't have hot water. Because our hot water, we have a tankless water heater and it uses gas. And our LP tank, we think that it's empty because our water heater is E and then there's still something. So yesterday Matt called somebody to service and fill our LP tank. So anyhow, it's not gonna happen after 2 days. You know, we just purchased this house and we don't know when we're supposed to fill it or when we're supposed to service it. So yesterday we ran out. So anyhow guys, I'm gonna prepare because today we are going to the city and meet up with Matt's brother Dan and then Shanda. We're gonna have a double date today. So we're gonna go eat outside. I'm happy because you know Matt can easily meet up with the family. Okay guys, so I want to show you guys what it looks like, the one that I got from the thrift store. So this is one of them, the long sleeve, and it's nice. And here's the second one, it's cute. And here's the third one, very simple, just you know, t-shirt. Ayan, and this is the third one. This is part of what I got from the Goodwill, from the thrift store. Half price, so I paid $2.75 for this. The pink as well, it was $2.75. This is the fourth one. It's kind of tight, but it's okay. Yeah. But anyhow, this is the fifth one. Oh, this one is tight. This one is tight. But anyhow, it's nice. It looks nice. It's from Old Navy. Yeah, it's tight. It's opening here. And it's nice. So yeah, this is nice. I have two more left. I want to show you. This is the seventh one. That's nice. It's nice. So this is the seventh one, and then I'm gonna show you the last piece. So here's the last piece. It looks like Sherpa fabric or something, but it's pretty nice. It feels good. So yeah, that's what I got from the Goodwill. So it's a try on thrift store haul. And yeah, hi guys. Hello guys, on our way to the city to meet up with Matt's brother and Shanda. We're going to do a double date. Now we're going to take them to dinner, saying thank you because you know they let us stay in their house for almost 2 months. Because when we get our house, while we're under contract, it was delayed. Our closing date was delayed, so we stay with them for almost 2 months. We're saying thank you. We're gonna take them to dinner. The surrounding is so beautiful. It's greenery. There's a lot of farm for sure. Lots of farm. There's a dairy. There's like a cow farm. No love, no? Is it a cow farm? What is it?
Definitely a farm of cows.
A farm with cows. Yeah. Oh,
Should have went.
yeah.
That's everybody goes.
Go. Perfect. Yeah, so that's big building. It's an Amazon distribution center.